It's Lisa from I Can't Wait to Travel, and we are here to tell you all about our stay at UNICO Riviera Maya. We stayed in the Alcoba oceanfront room. It is at the perfect position to see the ocean. Let's get started with the bathroom. The bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. It has the modern touches, but it has that dark Mexican feel, like almost as if the woods were caught in the actual nature around you. The bed was incredible. It hugged you, tucked you in, gave you a kiss goodnight. And there's so many other areas to sit, from the lounge chairs to the little silhouette chairs on the side. When you go out to the balcony, you have another lounge, your jacuzzi tub, plus the best view of the ocean. You are so close, and because of the way how the building is situated, you don't have to see the pools and the people sunbathing. You have true intimacy. At this end of the beach, the water actually has less seaweed, so if you walk straight out of your hotel room, you will have the best location ever. Make sure you reach out to us at info@ican'twaittotravel.com to hear more about UNICO and which room you should stay in.